Compare object instances for equality by their attributes. I have a class myClass, which contains two member variables foo and bar. I have two instances of this class, each of which has identical values for foo and bar. However, when I compare them for equality, Python returns false. How can I make Python consider these two objects equal?
You should implement the method _eq_. Now it outputs. Note that implementing _eq_ will automatically make instances of your class unhashable, which means they can't be stored in sets and dicts. If you're not modeling an immutable type, i.e. if the attributes foo and bar may change the value within the lifetime of your object, then it's recommended to just leave your instances as unhashable. If you are modeling an immutable type, you should also implement the data model hook _hash_. A general solution, like the idea of looping through _dict_ and comparing values, is not advisable. It can never be truly general because the _dict_ may have uncomparable or unhashable types contained within. Be aware that before Python 3, you may need to use _cmp_ instead of _eq_. Python 2 users may also want to implement _ni_, since a sensible default behavior for inequality, i.e. inverting the equality result, will not be automatically created in Python 2.
You override the rich comparison operators in your object. Like this.
If you're dealing with one or more classes that you can't change from the inside, there are generic and simple ways to do this that also don't depend on a diff-specific library. Easiest, unsafe or very complex objects method. Pickle is a very common serialization lib for Python objects, and will thus be able to serialize pretty much anything, really. In the above snippet, I'm comparing the str from serialize A with the one from B. Unlike the next method, this one has the advantage of also type checking custom classes. The biggest hassle, due to specific ordering and the /encoding methods, Pickle may not yield the same result for equal objects, especially when dealing with more complex ones. For example, lists of nested custom class instances, like you'll frequently find in some third-party libs. For those cases, I'd recommend a different approach. Thorough, safe for any object method. You could write a recursive reflection that'll give you serializable objects, and then compare results. Now it doesn't matter what your objects are, deep equality is assured to work. The number of comparables doesn't matter as well. My use case for this was checking deep equality among a diverse set of already trained machine learning models inside BDD tests. The models belong to a diverse set of third-party libs. Certainly implementing _EQ_ like other answers here suggests wasn't an option for me. Covering all the bases. You may be in a scenario where one or more of the custom classes being compared do not have a _dict_ implementation. That's not common by any means, but it is the case of a subtype within sklearn's random forest classifier, type sklearn.tree._tree.tree. Treat these situations on a case-by-case basis. For example, specifically, I decided to replace the content of the afflicted type with the content of a method that gives me representative information on the instance. In this case, the _getState_ method. For such, the second to last row in base _ type became Edit. For the sake of organization, I replaced the hideous one-liner above with return dict_from obj. Here, dict_from is a really generic reflection made to accommodate more obscure libs. I'm looking at you, doc2vec. Do my none of the above methods yield true for objects with the same key-value pairs in a differing order, as in? But if you want that, you could use Python's built-in sorted method beforehand anyway.
With data classes in Python 3.7 and above, a comparison of object instances for equality is an inbuilt feature. A backport for data classes is available for Python 3.6.
If you want those help, please consider subscribing.